Welcome to Boot Security. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential items included in your Boots Security Guard Toolkit, ensuring you're fully prepared for your duties. To ensure you earn more than the industry rates, we charge a small fee for the Security Guard kit. However, this fee is fully reimbursed through a $10 bonus for each of your first 10 shifts, totaling up to $100. Please remember, do not purchase this kit if you're not registered on the Boots Security app. It costs $92.99 for the Boots Security Guard Toolkit and $109.99 if you require a criminal background check as well. Your toolkit includes a variety of essential gear to help you perform your role effectively and safely. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. First, you'll receive 2 ID cards essential for verifying your identity on site and ensuring you have access to secure areas. These cards are NFC enabled and it may be needed to access the shift location. Please review shift details in the Guard app or look for a Boots NFC sign on site to check if you need it or not. Next, we have the Security Guard Reflective Vest and Tactical Vest. The reflective vest ensures high visibility in low light conditions, while the tactical vest provides additional utility and protection. You can check out our video on the Uniform and Professional Appearance Policy for more details on how to wear your uniform and what vest to wear. Your toolkit also includes a tactical flashlight, perfect for night patrols, and a vehicle strobe light, which enhances visibility when you're on duty in your vehicle. Finally, you'll have access to a comprehensive security guard training course, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge and skills to excel in your role. Thank you for joining us in this overview of your Boots Security Guard Toolkit. With these tools, you're ready to uphold the highest standards of security and safety. Stay safe out there!